Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to introduce these parts in a bit more of a subtle way. So at the minute we have them sort of bursting in every 8 bars, every 4 bars, and to sort of blend it in, it's better to use sort of filters and fades up on the volume. And what we're going to use is the filters. So I'm just going to go to our hats to begin with because they come in at bar 9. And I'm just going to drop an auto filter onto that track. And I'm going to click on the frequency. And I'm going to fade that up. So you can hear there. You'll have that fading up over time now. And that's fine to leave it like that. And the next thing that comes in is our percussion at bar 17. And we can just drop a filter onto that. Grab this as well and have that fading up. Have it fading up over a longer time. And then that shaker that comes in there, you can drop a filter on that. Have it fading in. And then the next part that comes in is the synth at bar 49. We can fade that in by dropping a filter on it. And then there's the ride that comes in just later on here, if we just find it. At bar 81, got a ride coming in. Just drop a filter onto that. And there's actually one on that. Just get rid of this. So we can use the existing one on that, and we just fade that in over time. So instead of that kicking right in at bar 81. Clap channel as well, and have it fading in where there's comes in at different points. So got one here at the start, we can have it fading in here. And then we could have it doing the same again there, and we could have it sort of modulating about over this period here. You can obviously take more time and care over to get the right sound out of this. So I'm going to drop it here at the breakdown, have it fading in. And then one other tip to introduce things is to do these sort of reverb bursts, as I like to call them. So we've got the hats, for example, and we've got this massive big reverb here down at E, and we can do bursts of the hats to this reverb. So if we just click on that, we can do some spikes to this. So if we get our pencil tool and we just draw a spike here at the end of this bar. So you can hear that it adds a real cool effect at the end of that. And it helps to introduce elements into the track. So as the hats get brighter, this is obviously going to have more effect on it. And we can obviously apply this to, for example, the claps as well. So we could do a nice big one on the clap. apply that throughout your track, and if we go to the breakdown, you can obviously put it in here as well. So we've got our hats here. And maybe onto our toms. Okay, so you can go through your track and add in those sort of reverb spikes to give it sort of more atmosphere around your mix, and then you can obviously play around with the auto filters and things like that there to introduce parts and fade them out at the end of your track. I've accompanied the final project, which I started basing this on, along with this, and you can have a dig around there to show to have a look at what exactly I've done throughout the whole track. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to check back on the Sonic Academy website for further videos from myself.